Repairing a damaged liver involves consuming foods that support liver function and promote its healing. The liver is a vital organ responsible for detoxifying harmful substances, metabolizing nutrients, and regulating metabolism. When it becomes damaged due to factors like alcohol consumption, poor diet, or certain medical conditions, supporting its recovery becomes crucial. Incorporating specific foods into your diet can aid in repairing liver damage by reducing inflammation, promoting detoxification, and supporting overall liver function. Here are 10 foods known for their liver healing properties. Number 1. Garlic. Contains compounds like allicin and selenium, which aid in liver detoxification. Garlic is such good food to cleanse your liver due to its sulfur-containing compounds, which help protect your liver from damage. It also promotes liver detoxification, and multiple studies have shown that taking raw garlic or garlic powder can help reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Number 2. Leafy greens. That helps eliminate toxins in your body that would otherwise pass through your liver. Some of the best leafy greens include spinach, kale, and collards. Are rich in chlorophyll, which helps neutralize heavy metals, pesticides, and other toxins. They can be eaten raw or cooked, but they are essential for you and your liver's health. Number 3. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower contain compounds that support liver detoxification enzymes. If you love broccoli, you're in luck. This cruciferous vegetable, along with cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and mustard greens, are good for your liver. They are a source of fiber, which supports liver health. Plus, they contain antioxidants and phytochemicals that may help prevent liver cancer. Number 4. Turmeric. Contains curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that benefit liver health. In addition, turmeric also aids bile production, which supports the liver detoxification process and prevents fat buildup in the body while restoring liver function. Therefore, turmeric one of the most popular herbal remedies for fatty liver treatment. Number 5. Walnuts. High in omega-3 fatty acids and glutathione, walnuts support liver cleansing. The authors note that nuts may also help reduce inflammation, oxidative stress, and insulin resistance, which can be beneficial for the liver. According to the 2015 review, walnuts are amongst the most beneficial for reducing fatty liver disease. Number 6. Avocado. Contains healthy fats, vitamin E, and glutathione, which are beneficial for liver function. Avocados are another example of foods good for liver function. They're high in healthy fats and contain unique chemicals that reduce and slow down liver damage. Avocados are packed with glutathione, which helps get rid of harmful toxins in the body. Number 7. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants that help protect the liver from damage. Many dark berries, including blueberries, raspberries, and cranberries, contain antioxidants called polyphenol, which may help protect the liver from damage. Number 8. Green tea. Contains catechins, antioxidants that support liver function and may help reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Green tea is beneficial for liver health due to its potent antioxidants, particularly EGCG, which protect liver cells from oxidative damage and support overall liver function. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce liver inflammation, crucial for managing conditions like hepatitis and NAFLD. Moreover, green tea may aid in reducing liver fat accumulation, contributing to the prevention and management of fatty liver disease. Regular consumption of green tea promotes liver detoxification processes, enhancing the liver's ability to eliminate toxins and maintain optimal health. Including green tea as part of a balanced diet can thus play a significant role in supporting liver health and preventing liver diseases. Number 9. Olive oil. Rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, olive oil can help reduce liver inflammation. Olives are rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, two things your liver loves. Olive oil is very healthy for your liver, notes Dr. Lindenmayer. Olive oil raises your good cholesterol, which is actually protective for your liver against fatty liver disease and also separately good for your heart. Number 10. Citrus fruits are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which aid in detoxification and protect liver cells. Fruits like grapefruit, oranges, limes and lemons all boost the liver's cleansing ability. Even consumed in small amounts, we know some of these can be tart. Citrus fruits help the liver to produce the detoxifying enzymes that flush out pollutants. In addition to these foods, it's important to limit alcohol consumption and avoid processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy fats, which can contribute to liver damage. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Keep chasing your dreams and making every moment count.